I don't know where I'm going. It's beautiful though. I was looking to the west. That's the south. That's Mima. Down in the snow over there. I think she's high centered on a log. Almost to the top. You got this, Mima! Okay, we're cold. We hiked like 2 miles, completely exhausted, 4 feet of snow, post holing through all 4 feet of it to the ground pretty much most of the way. Alec doesn't like snow camping very much at all anymore. Neither does Zayden, because they had a couple of minutes of rough times, but this is what they call embracing this sect. Got our tent set up over there. There's Alec's tent, and Zayden's tent's behind him, so you can't see it. Oh, there it is. Anyway, not sure about the Lanshan one-person tent yet, trekking pole tents, because they're very difficult to set up in the snow, I can tell you that. Part of it's probably because it's our first time, but it's Aria's first day hiking too. Anyway, we're gonna cook some food. Hands are getting warm, toes are getting warm. It's nice. Aria, are you enjoying the winter hiking? Alec, what do you think about the winter hiking now that you're warm? Still sucks, alright? Alright. Zayden's staying warm, he's being a fine soul cutting some firewood. He doesn't look so warm really. Well, your hand's in the snow, so. Okay. Anyway. We're doing it. We're staying warm. It's been a little chilly. I don't know. It's probably like 18 degrees or something like that. 20 degrees. Yeah, we're all happy and fed, and we're gonna go get in our beds pretty soon. We got our hand warmers opened up. Mine are starting to get warm.
Mine are warm.
Anyway, we're doing good. Aria. Good night, Aria. Sleep good. Those are some wet feet. Alright, it's morning. We lived through it barely. We're tired and cold and going home. It's 6 something, I think. And we were all kind of cold, but we made it. So, it was a good trip. We're skipping breakfast. We're only about an hour or so from our house, so we're just gonna walk home and have breakfast and be warm. It's gonna be fun.